OpenAI is about to shake up the browser world, and it's going straight after Google Chrome browser. According to Reuters update, OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, will release its own AI-powered web browser in the coming weeks. The goal to completely change how we browse the web. Using AI instead of clicks, this browser could keep user inside a chatbot-like interface, performing tasks without jumping between the websites. This puts it in direct competition with Google Chrome, which currently holds over two-thirds of the market with more than 3 billion users. OpenAI reportedly plans to integrate its AI agents, powerful tools that can book, research, and take action on your behalf directly into the browser. And with 500 million weekly ChatGPT users, even partial adoption could seriously dent Google traffic and ad revenue. This means OpenAI will gain deeper access to user data. This is something Google has long depended on for search and advertising. It's all part of OpenAI's bigger push to integrate AI into your daily life, from chat to browsing and even hardware. Back in May, they acquired a $6.5 billion AI device startup led by a former Apple designer. Meanwhile, OpenAI isn't alone. A rival AI company, Perplexity, just launched its own browser called Comet, also packed with AI task automation. And they are changing everything. Subscribe for more AI news, fast, clear, and always real. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.